Hi guys, this is Nunu, and this is my week 14 message from Nunu, November 30th, 2018. First, here at the top of our paper, I have a link to a flyer about an African American literature course offered in spring 2019 by Dr. Setka. Click on this link and check out this information. You may want to take this course. I think it'll be terrific. Okay, let's cover what's going on in week 14. As you know, to stay focused in this class, you need to click on modules frequently and review the class notes below. Okay, I'm going to go down to our week 14 notes, and here they are right here. Let me make them a little bit bigger by clicking on the screen. Okay, here they are. They're bigger. So, whoa, just went away from me. Let me go down again. Okay, these dang touch screens, I tell you. Okay. There it goes again, running away from me. Here it is. Okay, so week 14th was November 26th through the 28th. On Monday, the 26th, we completed the in-class writing below. It's right here. Okay, on a Wednesday, the 28th, we studied 3 of Monday's in-class writings, the in-class writing up here, and I gave you a photocopy of your writing. I wanted you to evaluate its strengths and weaknesses and send me the evaluation in a Canvas email, and then I'll send you your grade. And if you do a good job in this Canvas email telling me about the strengths and the weaknesses in this paper that you wrote here, I will increase the points that I gave you if you do not have a perfect grade. Okay, so that's a deal I made with you. And something else we did on the 28th, on Wednesday, I went over the preliminary draft of the research paper, which is due this weekend. It is the narrative frame plus the 5-page essay you wrote. You need to use my notes to help you to revise your paper and then submit it as a preliminary draft of your research paper. Okay, so don't just give me the narrative frame and the 5-page essay. Use my notes to help you. I have returned all of the assignments. I'm still working on some of the narrative frame, but don't worry about that. I'll have your notes for you for this weekend. And this is what you need to do, and it's very important. To learn what you need to do for the narrative frame, you can click on modules and go down to week 14. November 26th through 30th is a week we met on the 26th and the 80th, and more of what I told you is here in this assignment, okay? Telling you what it is that you need to do, all right? So I'm going to click back to home. And whoops, I thought I was clicking back to home. All right, I'm going to have to start using a mouse. This touch screen that I have is kind of impossible. Okay, so I'm scrolling down in home back to our week 14 notes and what it is that you need to do. Now, in regard to the preliminary draft of the research paper, I know some of you are nervous about this. Look at my notes very carefully, do the best job you can. And the reason we're writing a preliminary draft of the research paper is so I can give you additional feedback before you have the final draft, all right? So don't worry, don't be anxious, just do your best and that'll be enough. I'll help you, okay? So I am scrolling back to the top of the screen. I'm about to sign off, and as I do so, I'm going to remind you to reach me in inbox if you have any questions or concerns. But let me see how you do working independently on these assignments, okay? Take care. By the way, this number 15 here, I see that some of you have already submitted your Canvas email to me about your paper, and that's great. I will be returning these this weekend. All right, take care.